Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. Here from the living room, doing a video on the final reveal of the number 69 Big Johnson Oldsmobile. So this kit I used fantasy decals on it, so I don't believe this to be real decals. So let me just show you what I got. So the body fit right over the chassis, very nice. Yellow paint went right with them, to my surprise. I have a detailed dashboard in there with the decal on there. And I had to use a donor engine in this one since I used the engine out of this in another Oldsmobile. So this one got a parts box, newer engine in it. And had a lot of fun building it. I really like these decals. They slid right on. Only thing I noticed is you have to, with these kind of decals, they're like one sheet of decal and you have to cut out the ones you're going to be using, which is kind of nice. Well, nice, or you really have to be, you have to choose it and cut it completely out, or you'll get overlap on a decal. And we'll look at that brand new engine in there. That engine is from a 2001 Chevy chassis, so that'd be a 2001 Henrik motor in there in the Oldsmobile. And we got a very detailed chassis along with the more side boom exhaust on there instead of the older style exhaust. So I figure I mix and match some of the parts I had and make it more unique and keep it, you know, on a unique side. So in a way, this one is a, you could call it, I get NASCAR custom. I mean, it is a NASCAR kit with different decals, so I would call it a NASCAR custom. And yeah, it came out good. It was a fun project. It was so fun. I went and ordered another set of decals, Big Johnson, number 69, different color on the decals. So I can use a darker color car, and they should show right up on the car. So I just want to thank everybody for watching the videos on this. And thanks for watching, guys. All right. Y'all have a good night. Bye.